The new era of robotics has started. Yes, the latest humanoid robots are coming. But do you think it will be a help for mankind? Many tech companies are coming up with their own humanoid robots. Stay put to find out the new robots in the world and their features. Boston Dynamics is one of the world's most popular engineering and robotic design companies. Boston Dynamics is an American company which was founded in 1992. Its headquarters are in Waltham, Massachusetts. Boston Dynamics has been a Hyundai Motor Group since December 2020. Boston Dynamics was founded by Mark Rybert, who had spun the company off from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1992. The Boston Dynamics company was an outlook of the Leg Laboratory. The Leg Laboratory was dynamic in establishing the scientific basis for highly dynamic robots. The animals-inspired robots that move with excellent perception, agility, skill, and intelligence. The co-founder of Boston Dynamics was Nancy Cornelius. Nancy joined the company as the first employee of that company. She worked there as an officer of the company, did engineering on many contracts, and worked as the company's CFO for 10 years and later became the VP in charge of engineering on several contracts. She retired after 21 years of service to the company till 2013. After that, the company was acquired by Google. Another company co-founder was Robert Plater. He completed his PhD thesis at MIT, working with Rybert in the Leg Laboratory. He was the COO of the company for many years and has been the CEO of the company since 2019. Earlier, the company worked with the American Systems Corporation under the contract of Naval Air Warfare Center Training Systems Division, and it was for replacing naval training videos for aircraft launch operations with 3D interactive computer simulations with features such as characters made with DI and software for realistic human simulation. After that, the company started making physical robots. The Boston Dynamics company was acquired by Google X, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. on December 13, 2013. Immediately after the acquisition, Boston Dynamics transferred its DI software product line to VTMac, a simulation software vendor based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. On June 8, 2017, Alphabet Inc. announced the sale of Boston Dynamics to Japan's SoftBank Group for an unknown sum. Boston Dynamics acquired the Silicon Valley startup Kinema Systems on April 12, 2019. Hyundai Motor Group acquired about 80% stake in the company from SoftBank for approximately $880 million. SoftBank Group only retains 20% through an affiliate. In June 2021, it was announced that Hyundai officially took a controlling stake in the company from SoftBank. Some of the robots of Boston Dynamics are Big Dog. Big Dog was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics. The Big Dog is a quadrupedal robot. It was created with Foster Miller, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concorde Field Station. DARPA funded the Big Dog project of Boston Dynamics. The main reason for creating the Big Dog was that it could serve as a robotic pack mule to accompany the US soldiers in terrains that are too risky for vehicles. But the Big Dog project was cancelled because the robot was too loud and could not be used in combat. The Big Dog didn't use wheels. Instead, the robot has 4 legs for movement, which allows the robot to move across surfaces that the wheels cannot move. The Big Dog was called the world's most ambitious legged robot. The Big Dog carried 150 kilograms of payload alongside a soldier at 4 miles per hour. It can incline up to 35 degrees in rough terrain. Cheetah. Cheetah is a robot that can move at a speed of 28 miles per hour. The Cheetah is a robot with 4 legs. As of 2012, it has a land speed record for legged robots. MIT built a similar robot in a biomimetic robotics lab, and by 2014, the robot could jump over obstacles placed in front of it, and by 2018, the cheetah was able to climb stairs. Little Dog. Little Dog is a small quadruped robot developed by Boston Dynamics for DARPA research. The Little Dog was released in 2010. Little Dog is intended as a testbed for other institutions. Boston Dynamics is the standard platform for the maintenance of robots for DARPA. The Little Dog has 4 legs, each powered by 3 electric motors. The robot is very strong and can climb and perform dynamic locomotion gaits. The legs of the Little Dog have a large range of motion. The Little Dog robot has an onboard PC-level computer which does accurate control, communicating, and sensing. The robot has a wireless communications and data login support for remote operation and data analysis. Petman. Petman, or Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin, is a bipedal device created for testing chemical protection suits. Petman is the first anthropomorphic robot that moves dynamically like a person. LS3. Legged Squad Support System, or LS3, is also known as Alpha Dog. The LS3 can effectively operate in hot, cold, wet, and dirty conditions. The LS3 robot is very capable of reacting to oral or visual commands. The LS3 robot has an inbuilt GPS and computer vision, LiDAR, and IR, which can guide itself through extreme terrain. The LS3 can move with a top speed of 20 miles before running out of fuel. Atlas. Atlas, or Agile Anthropomorphic Robot, is a 5-foot bipedal humanoid robot. It is based on an earlier model of Boston Dynamics' the Petman, a humanoid robot. This robot was mainly created for search and rescue missions. In February 2016, the most dynamic published YouTube video was titled Atlas: The Next Generation, which showed a new robot that was about 5 feet tall, and in that video, the robot was performing several tasks that would have been difficult or impossible for the previous generation of humanoid robots. Spot. Boston revealed the 4-legged canine-inspired Spot, and this robot only weighed 25 kilograms, and it is lighter than any other robot in this segment. In a promotional video of the Spot using its forward claws to open a door for another robot, the viewers perceived the Spot robot as creepy and reminiscent of science fiction robots. In 2018, the CEO of Boston Dynamics, Mark Rybert, announced that the robot was in pre-production and was preparing for commercial availability in 2019. He also added that Spot is the quietest robot they have built. But in 2019, journalists were informed that the robot would not be sold, but they will be given on lease to some selected business partners only. In November 2019, Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to use Spot. But at any point, have you ever thought the AI systems implemented in robots would be dangerous to humankind? It may or may not become a threat to us, but a proper monitoring protocol should always be there. What is your opinion on humanoid robots? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.